Hello guys, what's up? In this video I wanted to show you how you can easily get the 1000 subscribers in just 3 days. There is an easy strategy that you can use to improve on your views, to improve, to get subscribers and to get the watch hours. Let's get started. The easiest way is that there is a certain app you can download that will help you download certain videos that you can use freely. Let me show you how you can do it. Open App Store, search for the app called InSaver. So if you search for the InSaver, you can save it. It will take something like few minutes to be saved, or seconds. Another thing is that you will need to have an Instagram account. You see that the InSaver is saved. Let me search for the Instagram. I want us to move together to see how we can really get the 1000 subscribers just within 3 days. We are installing the Instagram. So if you don't have an account, you can go on and open an account on Instagram. I will put the phone number. Can go on and add the picture, profile picture, but for this case let me skip. Yeah, since we are now done, setting up the Instagram, so what we can do is that we can search for viral videos on Instagram that got certain views, and then what we can do, we can copy the link. We can copy the link, but I'm going to show you the right way of copying certain video that you cannot get a YouTube strike for copyright. You can do it in a correct way by adding certain information. Here I copied the link, so from that, after copying the link for this video on Instagram, we can go back to the apps and find for the other app we downloaded earlier, which is called the InSaver. Yeah, we can paste it here and the InSaver, and then we press the download button. So you add some caption on that video that you added, so that you can make certain changes, so that you won't get a strike like copyright. So you can add the music. You should reduce the original volume of the video in case you got it from a certain site to avoid strikes, and then you will add in your own video or certain music or YouTube free music, whereby at the end of it all I will press next, and then you will publish that video to the public. So at the end of it, I'll end up getting much subscribers. You'll end up getting a lot of subscribers plus views, which will help your channel to grow very fast.